Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the essentials: a 5G-capable phone, an active plan, and the latest OS. First, lock in low-power mode in settings to reduce baseline drain. This preserves background tasks. Then, enable 5G and choose the 5G Auto or 5G On with optimization option so the phone can switch to LTE when full 5G is unnecessary. Once done, make sure you reboot quickly to apply carrier profile changes. This prevents phantom radio scans that waste battery. Now refine the middle steps. Restrict background app refresh and use app-level settings to allow 5G only for essential apps like Maps or banking. Turn on Data Saver, cap display refresh to 60 Hz, and reduce brightness to conserve power. These steps lower the amount of data and CPU cycles needed. Once configured, set large downloads and video uploads to complete over Wi-Fi only. Make sure to test one app at a time so you can spot which settings give the biggest battery gains. Finish by observing battery behavior for a full day, watching the 5G radio time and app usage to confirm savings. Schedule low power mode during predictable downtimes and use quick control center toggles to disable 5G when you need maximum endurance. If performance or connectivity problems occur, try the simple recovery move. Toggle airplane mode for 10 to 20 seconds, then restart the radio. This clears stuck network states. Finally, make small incremental changes. This reveals the most effective trade-offs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.